In this job sheet we will search voltage across L6. Then we will set up the component. COM lead will connected to 2.18 and V lead will connected to 2.29. Then, at multimeter will show you 3.3392 volt. Next we will search voltage across R9. Then we will set up again. V lead will connected to 2.9 and COM lead will connected to 2.18. Then multimeter will show you 3.4298 volt. Next we will search the current in circuit. We will unplug the sorting link between 2.30 and 2.32 and we will connect it versus lead at 2.30 and COM lead at 2.32. Then, multimeter will show you 0.4 ampere. After that we will try again. We unplug the sorting link between 2.30 and 2.32 and connected versus lead at 2.3 and COM lead at 2.32. Then, multimeter will show you 3.6 milliampere. Based on the result we get, we will search the impedance. The formula is given, which is voltage over current. Voltage is 5 volt and current is 3.6 milliampere. And impedance we get is 1.39 kilo ohm. When we want to use other formula, the result must be nearly with the first result. But the most important is we must search the XL first before using this formula. For using the other formula, use the square root formula. Resistor is given 1 kilo ohm, but we must calculate the XL. Formula XL is 2 pi Florida. Frequency is 1.4 kilo ohm and inductor is 100 milliampere. And finally we get the value of XL, which is 879.54 ohm. So we just enter the value. Square root 1 kilo ohm square plus 879.54 ohm square. And the result we will get 1.33 kilo ohm. And we can see the result is approximately. Next we want to calculate the voltage resistor for frequency 2 kHz. We just set the 5 volt. We just install the sorting link at 2.32 and plug the COM lead at 2.18. And multimeter will show you the 2.9 volt. Next we will calculate the voltage resistor for frequency 1.1 kHz. It's just the same way before this. We just change the value from 2 kHz to 1.1 kHz. Then, the multimeter will show you 3.8 volt. Last but not least, we will calculate the current for inductance parallel circuit. First we set the frequency to 1.6 kHz and inductor current is 2 milliampere. And the result we get total current is 2.9 milliampere. Next we want to search the phase relationship between supply total current and voltage supply. So we had connected channel 1 and channel 2. Then, oscilloscope display U voltage LED current. Next, we will calculate total current for frequency 1.1 kHz and phase relation. So, we just set up frequency to 1.1 kHz and inductor current to 3 milliampere. And we get 5.2 milliampere for total current. For phase relationship, oscilloscope display voltage supply LED current. Lastly, we will calculate total current for frequency 2 kHz and phase relationship. So, we just set up inductor current to 4 milliampere and frequency to 2 kHz. We will get 5.1 milliampere for total current that show in multimeter. Oscilloscope show voltage LED current.